Rajya Sabha ki MP su oriba Manipur ki ningthau Sana Zawba Lesembana ahanba oina Maitei lon haibadi Manipuri lonbo classical language ki thakta thamnaba ngasi parliament mifamda pukhatkhrei ngasi famkhiba Rajya Sabha ki parliament mifamda Maitei lonbo classical language ki thakta thambinaba haiduna parliament da akhanana thamkhiba warol aduda ningthauna haikibada Modern Indian language amabu classical language ki thakta thambada India government criteria mari piri Hausi fawbada laiba asigi loan taru India government na piriba criteria asi subana maram oiduna loan sing asi classical language ki thakta laiba ngamli hairiba loan sing asi criteria subana maram oiduna classical language ki thakta laiba ngamkhiba maramna maitei loan asisu India government na piriba criteria asi mapung fan suri hausi fawbada Sino Tibetan gi loan sing maruoina Tibeto Burman gi loan sing bu India government na classical language ki thakta thambina ba honadri loan sing asi India ki oina su major language sing oiri Manipuri loan asi classical language ki thakta thamnaba literary amadi material animak mapung fana khudam leire India government na piriba criteria mapung fana puthokpa ngamba machak sing leire maram aduna Manipuri loan haibadi maitei loan bu classical language ki thakta thamnaba Rajya Sabha ki chairman Venkaiah Naidu ki pukning sing sinkrei
Honorable Chairman, the government of India has established for criteria for granting classical status to the modern Indian languages. As of now, the Union government has granted classical status, language status to 6 languages that fulfill the criteria. If the criteria to grant classical status to a language are considered, then Manipuri language certainly qualifies to be a classical language. However, no language of the Sino-Tibetan, particularly Tibeto-Burman subfamily, which has been one of the major language families of India, has been considered for the status of classical language.
Please.
I strongly believe that there are ample therefore, I request the government through this August House to grant classical language status to Manipuri language.